A brownfield site in Stratford, London. Environmental investigation has identified petroleum hydrocarbon contamination in the shallow soils and groundwater. This is predominantly TPH and PAH. The site is being redeveloped into a mixed-use residential scheme. Working alongside the enabling contractor, REGENESIS provided a combined in-situ sorption and bioremediation solution targeting contamination in the shallow groundwater. The treatment goal is to mitigate against off-site contamination migrating onto the site from the north.
What we are here to do is install a permeable reactive barrier perpendicular to the groundwater flow that is going to prevent the migration of the contamination that is coming off-site onto site currently.
In addition to the PetroFix permeable reactive barrier, the main contractor is also carrying out hotspot soil treatment on site. ORC Advanced is mixed into the saturated soils into 2 targeted excavation areas to enhance the biodegradation of the residual contamination.
So the PetroFix barrier we're installing is going to be 60 metres in length and is running from right to left behind me. We are injecting the PetroFix from 2 metres to 5 metres below the existing ground level. 2 metres below the ground level is where we first encounter the groundwater, and we're going to 5 metres because we know that this is a flux zone for the contamination that is spreading through the groundwater.
The PetroFix is mixed behind me. It is pumped through hoses to the injection rigs, and from there injecting into the ground at our target depth at low pressure. We're currently injecting with 2 rigs into 41 points, making up a 60 metre long barrier, and each point is spaced 1.5 metres apart.
PetroFix is an ink-like remediation fluid composed of tiny particles of colloidal-activated carbon. This allows it to be injected under low pressure to create a subsurface activated carbon filter that removes contamination from the water. Once absorbed, PetroFix stimulates the biological degradation of the contamination. This process is ongoing, and so only a single application is required to provide a long-term, low-cost solution for contaminant ingress onto the site. The PetroFix permeable reactive barrier was injected over 2 weeks using small mobile rigs that didn't get in the way of the enabling works. No waste was brought to the surface, and no equipment is required to operate this passive barrier, allowing the redevelopment works to proceed as planned. For more information about PetroFix, ORC Advanced, or our remediation site services, please get in touch or visit our website.